goes all the way to here, and they follow you. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you my house. My house is pretty useful. No one uses it, so it doesn't come in handy. It's really boring. Anyways, this was my shop before, but I moved everything to there, and I like to see it. I know, but I don't know what this place is going to be. I'll see soon. And here is the main shop. This is a Christmas tree from last year. This is, there was green presents here, but some people bought them. And some pumpkin over here, and here's a cool light, which I love right now. They're so cool. You can turn it on and, yeah, I like it. Now let's go to the main shop. Okay, this is in the shop. So here is the icon axe. Here's the bacon axe. Here's the rotary axe, and this is a chicken axe. Okay, this is the fire axe, and I have loads of them. I do have some fire axes with me and some candy cane axes. And I'm not going to go into it here. I don't know why. It's pretty rare. And here's these balls. So I don't mean to time it, okay? I need these green balls. Okay, so okay, so this is, basically, I don't know if this is it. Yeah, this is basically